Hi students, in this video we are going to see how you can study an MBBS course or medicine by just having a pass mark in NEET exam, and secondly the low fee structure for the entire course of medicine or MBBS. Before that, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and also click the bell button and as well as click the all option so that you will get all my uploaded videos instantly. Come on, let's go into the video. Students, let us see some special features of studying MBBS in Bangladesh. Firstly, Bangladesh is a very near country to India as it is our friendly country and you can travel by train or by flight. Second thing, language is not a problem because the medium of study is English. By the way, you can communicate with them with the help of the language English. And thirdly, our India and Bangladesh has got good friendly relationship over the years. There is an amicable relationship between Bangladesh and India, so there may not be any problem in coming future. And fourthly, syllabus is same as that of India. If you see the syllabus which is framed by Medical Council of India MCI, it is same as that of the syllabus or almost same as that of the syllabus which is designed by Bangladesh Medical Council as such. Students, move on to other feature. The subject known as community medicine is included in the syllabus. It is existing in UK, US, Australia and in India, where the students are placed in rural areas for a period of 3 months to practice and to get along with the people. And this community medicine is an important factor which is also a practice in India and also available in Bangladesh. And next thing is, as compared to Indian rupee, Bangladesh taka is 1.15 value when compared to our currency. And third thing, foods are same as that of India. Mostly Tamil Nadu foods are also available and you may not face any problem regarding the food. And the next thing, hostel facilities are so pleasant and very good, and even they are very safe even for the female candidates. And the next thing is, most of the professors and faculty members including lecturers are from India, so that you will get the same platform of knowledge what you are getting in India is same as that with the Bangladesh. And the next thing is seminars, conferences. Most of the speakers are from India and other countries. So you will get a right kind of platform to acquire some knowledge related to your profession through the seminar and conferences which will be organized by most of the universities in Bangladesh. Students, moving on to the next feature, usual college timings will be 8 am to 5 pm with a regular lunch break and an interval, which is considered to be the same as that of our India. The next feature is duration of course, which is 5 years and which is also 5 years in our country with 1 year internship, and same follows with Bangladesh. And if you consider the books that they are following are mostly from Indian authors which will be available in their libraries, and usual library timings will be 8 am to 8 pm. And students, coming back to the fee structure for the entire course of MBBS of 5 years will comes around 25 to 30 lakhs, which includes your tuition fees, hostel fees, food charges and other charges. And nextly, class patterns are even same as that of our India, which comprises of practical classes, lecturer classes and tutorial classes. In case of practical class, you will be demonstrated with practical things, and in lecturer classes you will be taken the lectures, and if you are missing some lectures, that videos will be available with the lectures where you can avail from them. And the last one, tutorial classes, where you can clear your doubts straight away with the professors for our students. Coming to the other features, from third year onwards, you will be placed in clinical classes where you will be meeting patients and you will get some knowledge about the disease, especially pharmacotherapeutics, means how you can treat the patient with the disease, and pharmacology, how the drugs are going to act in the patient, you will also be studying. And coming to the examination, that is FMGE examination, which is also called as Foreign Medical Graduate Examination, will be easily cleared when you are completing MBBS from Bangladesh. Yes, the pass percentage who are completing their medicine from Bangladesh are at very higher rate. And lastly, vacations are usually 6 to 7 days in case of Eid, in case of Ramzan, and for Durga Puja it will be around 6 to 7 days. And rest of the things, since you are in the field of medicine, you will not be provided with long leave and you are allowed to take some medical leave. And students, so far what we have seen are the special features that you will get when you are pursuing MBBS or medicine in Bangladesh. Students, all of you keep in mind that the admission process to pursue MBBS in Bangladesh usually starts in the mid of December and ends by February. So you always rush, you be an early bird to get some medicine seat by attaching yourself to a good reputed consultancy around our India. Students, thank you for watching this video. Kindly like this video and share this video to your friends and relatives to whom it is required, and subscribe my channel and kindly press the bell button and also press the all option so that you will get my latest notification. Thank you. All the best.